easier to create AI images than it is today. With all the different platforms out there, people are pumping out hundreds of designs a day. And what I've gone and made is Sellable Studio, and it is a bulk template and mock-up creator that will turn your AI images into actual sellable products that people will buy. Now, my name's Kayla, and I'm one of the best-selling Etsy store owners in Australia all time. So I've sold over 170,000 different images in a couple of years, and all using these templates. So here's the categories that we offer in Sellable Studio. We have doodle letters, monograms, phone cases, tumblers. Now, all these categories I have personally sold, and I've used these templates to do so. So you know these templates and categories will sell. So today I'm going to show you real quick just how quick we can turn your AI images into sellable products. So for this example, we're going to choose tumblers, and then we're going to choose, we'll just go with a 20 out straight. These are the most popular style tumbler designs. And then all we do now is select the folder of images that you want to apply to the Tumbler and Tumbler template and cover photo, or mock-up is what we call them. So we'll just go in here and we'll select a folder. Now I've got this folder here which has 20 images that I've just created on Midjourney, and we just click on open, and all we've got to do is click generate. So it's that easy. Click on your category, click on your template, and then select your folder and click generate. Now I'm going to time it at the same time because I want to show you just how quick this is. Ready and go. So usually it would take a designer a whole heap of time and resources. You have to get Photoshop or Canva. You have to learn how to use those platforms. You have to apply your images, and then turn and research all the product dimensions and sizes. Now this app does all that for you. All these templates are perfectly sized to the current standards, and the cover photo comes with it. So what will happen in a second, this is going to be finished, and we will get a zip folder downloaded to our downloads, and in that zip folder it will contain a folder for each of your images that you've generated. Now that will include a cover photo ready to go and a template ready to go, ready to list straight away on Etsy or eBay. And there we go. Under 1 minute, we have done over 20 different Tumbler designs. Here we go. I'll show you how it works. We'll just go in here and see the file will be named the same as the image file that you've used. And inside there is your mock-up and here's your mock-up and your template. Now, perfectly sized template, 9.2 by 8.3, which is the current standards for Tumbler designs. And yeah, so how easy is that? This honestly is one of the reasons we have been able to build our stores so quickly. We have other testimonials that have done the same kind of thing, because we can now automate our image creation, and we can automate our template and mock-up creation, which all is left is to just load them up on Etsy or Shopify or wherever you're selling your digital downloads. So I hope you love it, guys. I want you to get in and have a look and see all the other things we can do. And enjoy.